Hello friends, I am back again with yet another Samsung TV with no picture, so let's jump straight into it. This TV was dropped in by another technician after he tried everything. But you know how these Samsung screens can kick you in the butt. To fix these Samsung models, you will need a specialized equipment such as the one I am using here. Keep your eyes on the top right corner. There you can see the real-time repairs. See guys, wasn't that cool to watch? If you like my content, smash the like button. It's the least your fingers can do. It's going to be difficult to laser here because it is too close to the end of the screen. The laser won't penetrate. So I will move on to the right side. Okay, that's it. Both sides have been repaired. The picture is 100%, no lines. It looks perfect. If you have this model Samsung with no image, you can WhatsApp us on 752-4580 or call 613-6708. Okay. Time to call the customer to come and pick up. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.